Okay, hi guys. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to be doing today is short, fun, and very helpful. We are going over we're going over 4 to 6 math acts. I'll save you time, stress, whether you're preparing for an exam, writing a test, doing mental problems, doing homework, or just trying to get through math class. So let's get right into it. Act number 1. Squaring numbers that end in 5. So any number that ends with 5, how do you square them? This is actually very easy. Just all you have to remember is 5 times 5 is 25. Now you have to remember is this 25, this last number over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to completely ignore this number. Take the x, add 1 to the x, then times this x by. So you add 1 to the x, then you times this x that is right here, the original x, you times it by the x, the one you added x to, and then you add 25 at the end. Let me make that seem like it feels like I'm saying rubbish. So like 25 square. 2 plus 1 is 3. Multiply 3 by 2. You get 6. And then add 25 to it. Same thing. 65 square. Number higher than next number after 67. Times it by 6. You get 42. Add 25. You can check this out with a calculator and you see it's same thing. But this only works with numbers that ends with 5. It doesn't work with any other number except any number that ends with 5. And it's great for mental math and multiple choice tests. Next one is multiplying 2-digit numbers. 2 digits, not 3 digits, not 4 digits, just 2 digits by 11. So let's say we have AB times 11. So what you're going to do is you're going to split these two, A and B. You're going to add up A and B, and then you're going to put whatever you get in this A plus B in the middle of A and B. So for example, 23 times 11. So you add up 2 and 3, and you put it in the middle of 3 and 2. So this gives you 5. The answer is 253. 47 times 11. 47 gives you 11. Now this is, so what you're going to do here is you're going to take this number at the back and you're going to carry it over to the 4, and you're left with this. So you're going to have 517. 93 times 11. This is 12. Carry this one over to the 9 and 1 0 because that's 10. 2 3. And it works with just 2-digit numbers, and that's just how you do it. 52 times 11. Add it up. 7 5 2. 52. That's 572. That's your answer. And it's one of the fastest way to impress your friends. Just call them over. Do you know I can solve any number, any 2-digit number by 11? Ask me any question, I'll solve it. Or speed through a mental math quiz. Act number 3. How to estimate fractions without calculating. So how we are going to do it is very simple. We're going to use this known benchmarks. 1/2, 0, 1. Okay. Numerator is when the numerator, the one up, is half of the denominator. So if this is 4 and this is 8, we know this would be around 0.5. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, so they are both 8, we know it is 1. If the numerator is much smaller than the denominator, this is 8 and this is like 1, we know it is closer to 0. And if the numerator is just below the denominator, we know the answer is closer to 1. So 5/8. Is 5 half of the denominator? No. The half of the denominator is 4. Is 5 close to the half of the denominator? Yes. So we know our answer will be around 0.5, but it will be more than 0.5. And if you want the actual answer is 0.625. Okay. 3/4. We know 3 is just below the denominator, so it's closer to 1. And it's also like closer to the halfway. So it's 0.521, which is, yeah. But if you want to know that, just know it's 0.75. And this is very, very super useful for choosing the closest answer on multiple choice test. This is only for multiple choice questions. You cannot do it for any other thing. Act number 4 is, instead of multiplying big numbers, cancel the common factors first. Diagonally, not across, just diagonally. Step number 1 is look for a number in the numerator of one fraction and in the denominator of the other that can be simplified. Cancel before multiplying. For example, 2/5 times 15/4. We can see this can be cancelled into 1. This can be cancelled into 3. This can be cancelled into 1. This, I'm going to use a different color for that. Because this can be cancelled into 1, this can be cancelled into 2, so your answer is 3/2. Let's try another one. 6/7 times 14/9. Across 2, 3. Across 1, 2. Your answer is 4/3. And let's try one that everything is not across. So 3/8 times 3/9. This can be cancelled into 1, this can be cancelled into 3. These two are not factors, so that can't happen. So your answer is 3/24. And then you cannot cancel this one out into 1/8.
Rachel.
Act number 5 is a percent. Is a multiplying big numbers using the difference of squares. So we remember the difference of squares is a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So we use these numbers when the numbers are close to each other and centered around a base like 100 or 50. So for example, 102 times 98. We can do this as 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2. Because 100 minus 2 give you 98, 100 plus 2 give you 102. So we are left with 100 squared minus 2 squared, which is 10,000 minus 4, which is 9,996. 51 times 49. This 50 plus 1. This 50 minus 1. 50 squared minus 1. That gives you 2,499. You can only use this when it's centered around the base. Like if it was 24 times 19, you could use this. You just go 20 plus 4, 20 square, 20 plus 4, and then 20 minus 1. And you do that. And it's perfect for quick mental math when numbers are close together. And then we have the percentage flip arc. So you can flip the number of percentage when calculating percentage. Whichever one is easier, use that. X squared of y is equals to y percent of x. So for example, 25 of 16 is equals to 16 of 25, which is 4. Multiply it or whatnot. And that is for today's video. I hope at least one of these arcs made math a little less annoying and a lot more fun. If you have your own go-to math arc, drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what you all use to make your math life easier. And don't forget to share to your friends who might need help with math. And don't forget, I also offer tutorials. Details is in my channel description. Read it. And just, yeah. Bye, Damsey fam. That's